it's Holly from Self Care Whisperer and the Woman's Inner Circle. Today, I want to discuss another frequently asked question about self care. And that question is, how do I make time for self care? And my answer back is, how do you not make time for self care? It is so important to help you become the best that you can be. I can pretty much guarantee that if you go through your day, you can find 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes where you can practice self care. The thing is, we all have time. We read, we watch television, we're on social media. Take some of that time and practice self care. So the question is, how do I make time to practice self care? And I'm going to tell you the best way to do that. Pull out your calendar and pencil it in. Actually, put it in with pen. Put it in like you would going to a doctor's appointment, taking your child or a friend to a doctor's appointment. Make it something that's in your calendar that you know you will do. So to answer the question, how do I make time for self-care? Well, you just do it. You have to make it a priority and you put it on your calendar. So that's how you make time for self-care. So hopefully that answers the question. How do I make time for self-care? You know, like everything else, it's about your mindset. If you want to do it, you'll do it. Take care and talk to you soon.